insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.
Hello everybody, I just wanted to tell you real quick a couple of things about the manual tire changer. Ready? From one of our viewers. Another guy's got a great channel called Bottle Cap. He was wanting to know about how I mounted this on the wood. Mounting this on the wood makes it possible for me to keep it truly portable, which is one of the things I really wanted out of a manual tire changer like this. I wanted it to be portable. So I took a piece of plywood, good thick 3/4 inch piece of plywood, and I didn't just bolt it to the plywood. I needed to put something between the bolts and the plywood so that it'd have more than just 3/4 inch of stuff to hold on to. Not much on this bolt, because that bolt, you're not really pulling on that bolt very much. It's got a nice long footprint there. Big washer there, big wide washer, a big piece of wood here. I may end up going back and putting another 3/4 piece of plywood that catches all 4 of these, but it's really not necessary. I've used it several times, and this is working out really well. Then of course I went along the edges with 2x4s, because 2x4s seem to be the handiest thing on earth besides cardboard. And that gave it a nice frame that keeps the bolt heads from touching the floor. And it gives me the ability, I might be able to go back and put some wheels on the end so that I can tip it up the way I am now, or maybe put some wheels on the side, or I can tip it up on its side and grab it like this and just roll it around on those 2 wheels. So again, y'all be commenting in the comments and asking questions and giving me tips, and we'll all come up with some really good mods together. We'll get this thing going like a greased pig on feed day. And remember, y'all don't do anything I do in my videos, don't even do anything I talk about in my videos. Y'all let me do all the shenanigans and get burnt, bruised, and bleeding, and just watch me before you do anything. If it blows up in my face, you probably shouldn't do it. So click the link that appears here for the playlist for the manual tire changer use and mods, or click the other link to the playlist of our tool reviews. The subscribe button is right there, and then you hit the bell and it'll appear down here, and you hit all. To see links in the description of the video, look below the video, you'll see more, and then the description pops up. To make the description go away after you've scrolled through and found the links that you want, hit the X. To hit like,